Hello, my name is Colton Wrench and I'm a member of our technical support staff here at Pepperl+Fuchs. Today I will be demonstrating how to program one of our UB series ultrasonic sensors using a UB-PROG2 unit. A UB series ultrasonic sensor can operate in one of three different sensing modes: object presence mode, switch point mode, or window mode. In object presence mode, all targets will be detected as long as they are placed between the deadband and the maximum extent of the sensor sensing range. In switch point mode, targets will only be detected if they are placed between the sensor's deadband and the tot switch point. This means that if a target is beyond the tot switch point, it will not be detected regardless of whether or not it is within range. In window mode, targets between the two tot set points will only be detected. This means that a target placed between the deadband and the front or first tot set point will not be detected. Similarly, any target placed beyond the second or back tot set point will also not be detected. Window mode and switch point mode are both selectable as either normally open or normally closed, based on your application needs. First, I will be demonstrating how to use a UB-PROG2 unit to program the ultrasonic and object presence mode. Take your target and cover the sensor sensing face. Press and hold the A1 button until the LEDs begin to flash. Next, remove the target and then press and hold the A2 button until the LEDs begin to flash. Your sensor is now ready for operation. Now that the sensor is programmed and ready for operation, it will detect any target from its deadband to the maximum extent of the sensor sensing range. As you can see, any target within the 500 millimeter range of the sensor is detected, while targets outside of the range are not detected. Now I will be demonstrating how to use the UB-PROG2 unit to program the ultrasonic sensor as normally open. If you wish to have the sensor operate as normally closed, you need only reverse the order in which you press the A1 and A2 buttons and the sensor will act as such. First, press and hold the A2 button until the LEDs begin to flash. Now place your target at the desired switch point. Press and hold the A1 button until the LEDs begin to flash. Your sensor is now ready for operation. Now that the sensor is programmed and ready for operation, it will detect any target between its deadband and the tot set point of the sensor. As you can see, targets between the deadband and the tot set point are detected. Targets beyond the tot set point are not detected, even though they are within the sensor's range. Now I will be demonstrating how to use the UB-PROG2 unit to teach the ultrasonic window mode as normally open. If you desire to have the sensor operate as normally closed, you need only reverse the order in which you press the A1 and A2 buttons and it will act as such. First, place your target at the near end of the desired window range. Press and hold the A1 button until the LEDs on the sensor begin to flash. Move the target back to the far end of the desired window range. Press and hold the A2 button until the LEDs on the sensor begin to flash. The sensor is now ready for operation. Now that the sensor is programmed and ready for operation, it will only detect targets between the two tot set points of the sensor. As you can see, a target placed between the deadband and the front tot set point is not detected. Targets within the window are detected, and any target beyond the second tot set point is not detected. Now that you are familiar with how to program one of our UB series ultrasonic sensors, you should also become familiar with the types of models that belong to this family. We carry a 12 millimeter cylindrical model, which is about a ½ inch in diameter. We also carry an 18 millimeter cylindrical model, which is about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. The 18 millimeter cylindrical model comes in both the short and long barrel varieties. There is also a 30 millimeter cylindrical model, which is about 1.25 inches in diameter, and an F54 surface mount model. The sensing ranges can vary anywhere from 300 to 6,000 millimeters, or about 1 to 20 feet. The overall barrel lengths can vary from 40 to 90 millimeters, or about 1.5 inches to 3.5 inches. The F54 surface mount model has an overall length of 120 millimeters, or about 4 3/4 inches. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about how to program one of our UB series ultrasonic sensors. If you have any further questions or application needs, please feel free to contact us through one of the methods shown on the screen. Have a nice day.